Alright, we're gonna do a little quick video here. Just gonna unbox this McLaren F1 GTR, the 1996 presentation model. I have my two Le Mans winners, 1995 cars with me, and let's just compare them and have a look. Can I get a good solid corner that rips up? No. Wow, this would be, there you go. There you go, McLaren F1 GTR. Let's just hope we don't have any defects, and we should be good. Ooh, look at that. 96 GTR. First of all, the model feels a little oily, so I don't know what happened, but maybe it's humid. I have no clue, but it feels very oily. Yeah. But look at that. Absolutely very I mean, this is one of the best castings from Mini GT, the F1 GTR, and I think they've absolutely nailed it. Look at how it rolls. It just doesn't stop. That's brilliant. That's honestly brilliant. Okay, front wheel not as much, but this is one of the best castings from Mini GT. I don't care what you say. So the main differences you'll see on the 96 and the 95 model, on the short tail version, of course. The front lip, look at that. The front lip way bigger. To account for more downforce, I believe. And the wing is pushed back, as you can see. I have them really okay on the same level here. I have them on the same level. As you can see, the wing is pushed back. Here you go. The splitter makes the car longer. So yeah, these notable differences, I guess. What else can we find? What else can we find? The rear end, the tail lights, massively different. Honestly, you have that huge hole here which have the tail lights integrated in them, and here it's just one mesh with the tail lights that are poking out. So very different. On the underbody, pretty similar. Yeah, I mean, more lines here on the 96 model, but yeah, pretty solid. Which one do I prefer? It's difficult. I prefer this colorway, but this colorway is iconic as well. I love the splitter. If this colorway had the 96 splitter, I would love it. But on the rear end, I prefer the 95 model. So overall, I think the 95 model is a better buy. So if you're looking at getting a F1 GTR from Mini GT, get one, because it's pretty darn good. And you have the choice. You can have the 95 model or the 96 model. There's also the Golf colorway, which I believe is a 95 model. I might be wrong, but I think it's a 95 model. The 96, pretty good. I really want to see the Lark colorway, the red and gray. Orange red. So yeah, I'm really excited. Maybe a Marlboro colorway would be pretty nice. This is honestly a very good casting, and they need to continue, because this is the latest one, and I think there are none on pre-order that are coming. So I mean, it's a shame. It's a very good casting. Make more colorways. That for once I am saying that. Normally I never say that, because brands, when they have a good casting, they pump out a lot of colorways. Even if the casting is bad, actually, they just pump out a lot of colorways, and this is an example of the contrary. You just have 4 colorways and a phenomenal casting, which deserves more colorways. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.